Welcome to Stock Markets with KR. Stock Markets with KR में आपका स्वागत है. Back with Nifty and Bank Nifty in under 7 minutes along with the top stocks. So make sure that you stay tuned till the end because तभी मैं top stocks के analysis करूंगा and I might just give you some trade idea if the top stocks permit. Now with Nifty, this is the daily chart. What can we see here? We can see that this is the highest Nifty close ever. This is the ATH close for Nifty. आज निफ्टी क्लोज हुआ है एज वी कैन सी 879 पे. पिछला जो एटीएच क्लोज था दैट वाज एट 869. सो 10 पॉइंट से एटीएच क्लोज है. नाउ coming to the 60-minute chart, I'll just bring up my drawings which will give us an idea of the levels. By the way, sub levels है description के अंदर, so make sure you check the description. It has all the levels. Now coming back to the hourly chart, what can we see here? यहाँ से दिन चालू हुआ. This black candle, this spinning top that we see here is where the day started. And what can we see here? The day's low was actually right around the trend line. जो channel trend line जैसा है, मैं zoom out करके आपको दिखाता हूँ. You can see this is the bullish channel that Nifty has been in, and that is where it actually took support from. And then we can see काफी एक अच्छा linear move है. High से अगर low से अगर high पकड़े, then it's around 120 points, which is very decent. But realistically, you might have possibly gone long, let's say somewhere around here, second candle mein, and if you held on till close, that would have been 50 points, which is still not too bad, especially considering कि आज थोड़े दिन से थोड़ा सा subdued movement चल रहा है, obviously not considering yesterday's massive move. But coming to the 5-minute chart, just to get an idea, what we can see here is that this is where the day started. एक shakeout से चाल हुआ, उसके बाद ऊपर गया, एक sharp dip आया, and then from there after 11 o'clock it never really looked back. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा minor hiccup जैसा आ गया, but then the third time it took support from the previous close, that is when things actually worked, and that is the rally that we saw. So if you were trading in the second half, you could have possibly taken a 60-ish point move from here, which would have obviously been very good. हम लोग एक और चीज देख सकते हैं इधर, RSI 40. Okay, RSI 40 here, RSI 40 here, RSI 40 here, and RSI 50 support here. So overall, that is how Nifty could have been traded today if you were trading Nifty. Now coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, मेरा इंटरनेट आज थोड़ा स्लो है, so you'll have to bear with me. Bank Nifty की भी सारे ड्राइंग्स हटा के if I just look at the daily chart, what can we see here? एक तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा क्लस्टर जोन में है, but B, okay, B ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है क्योंकि ये क्लस्टर जोन से ऊपर आज क्लोज किया है. बेसिकली 35,771 is actually the highest close for Bank Nifty since 10th March. So कितना 3-4 महीने हो गए हैं उसको, and that is the highest close. That's a very good, very positive, very bullish sign in my opinion. Now coming to the hourly chart, what can we see here? 35,815 का resistance अब तक है. As long as 700, 750 के ऊपर है, I think we should be okay with Bank Nifty in terms of an overall pick. Now as far as the intraday moves go, मैंने आज बैंक निफ्टी को उतना देखा नहीं, to be very frank, but the first candle itself shows us very good strong buying at lower levels. So what we saw, यहाँ पे ये जो सपोर्ट जैसा था उधर से 35,400 बेसिकली के ऊपर से आया, and then it took support. एक very sharp second candle. From there छोटा छोटा selling हुआ, एकदम minor selling. Generally if we were to see a very sharp selling, this is the type of candle we would see, not this. छोटे छोटे candles कभी एकदम बड़े से sellers नहीं signify करते, from what I have seen and from what I have experienced. So then after this happened, we saw one more retest of this support level, and after that we actually saw it coming up. 35,700 breach किया, and then we saw some amount of selling happening in the last 15 minutes or so, which is fairly common. Even Nifty के साथ वो हुआ. In fact, I had tweeted, my Twitter is @marketswithkr. You can check it out. I had tweeted that, okay, in Nifty's case, Nifty has only closed above, okay, Nifty has only closed above this 835 line 3 times. आज चौथा time था. So it was a real challenge whether it would have been able to do so or not. Well, it was able to do so, which is a very good sign. Now coming to Reliance. Now that also starts the top stocks. टॉप स्टॉक्स में हम लोग क्या देख सकते हैं कि ये जो 13 मूविंग एवरेज है 13 MA, that has actually acted as a resistance for Reliance. So 2125 zones have been rejected. In fact, Reliance was one of the key draggers for Nifty. आज जो reason से Nifty नीचे आया, that is Reliance primarily because it actually came down along with a few other stocks also. And now it is almost near its 50 MA. हम लोग आज का closing basis देखते हैं, then it's just 1% away from its 50 MA, which is obviously a very good, very interesting sign because 50 MA generally एक अच्छा support होता है. Next stock, in terms of a directional view, I'm not quite sure. I have holdings in Reliance, but they are not for short-term trades. They are more of a swing/positional outlook. मैंने पहले भी बोला था 2080 के आसपास I think was a good accumulation level for Reliance. Coming to HDFC Bank, what can we see here? We can see 1529 support has been held. आज का लो था 1527 and that is where it actually bounced up from. Overall आज का जो closing देखते हैं, that is actually a spinning top. Volumes aren't high, so it might not signify reversal, but that's very interesting. Overall we can see it's more of a range breakout. Okay, so मैंने ये थोड़ा zoom जैसा कर लिया है आपके लिए, and I've removed the indicators. What can we see here? This has the highest close since 30th March. So once again 3 महीने से highest close है HDFC Bank का, which is also a very bullish sign. Next, coming to Infosys. Infosys में हम लोग क्या देख सकते हैं? Yet another bullish candle, which is obviously a good sign. By the way, make sure you are watching it till the end, because we never know, there might be some very interesting trade opportunity in one of these stocks. So Infosys में हम लोग क्या देख सकते हैं कि this level, okay, generally this level here has acted as a very good support. What can we see here? Very good support, right? So मेरे हिसाब से जब तक 1559 hold होता है, I think that is a bullish sign. Once it's broken, then possibly it shows lack of momentum. हम लोग आज देख रहे हैं volumes थोड़े से बढ़ रहे हैं, but if we actually look at the 60-minute chart, we'll get a better idea of where the volumes were. So what can we see here? Selling volumes were higher, which means थोड़ा सा शायद caution दे सकते हैं Infosys को. But let's see what happens next. Next stock is ICICI Bank, and what can we see here? Not much. This is a good strong close. I think जून के बाद इतना strong close नहीं देखा हम लोग ने, which is a good sign. It's a bullish sign. RSI at 59.76, which is obviously a bullish sign. Next stock is SBIN. I forgot HDFC. I'll come to that in a minute. And this is what we are seeing here. It's a pretty decent candle. RSI is above 61, which is a good sign. It's a positive sign. Just backtracking, coming to HDFC, what can we see here? Bullish candle. Very strong move. 2500 के तो ऊपर है, but 2529 पे है, which makes it the highest close for HDFC since 15th June. मतलब 20 दिन में highest close है. Again, we're seeing a lot of highest closes these days, which is very interesting to me. And वही सब चीज कर करके actually Nifty आज का highest close कर पाया है, because if the constituents are making higher closes, naturally so will Nifty. This is what we're seeing with Kotak Bank. RSI above 50, bullish bias, back above 1760, which is obviously a bullish sign, right? Let's see how it goes. If I just bring the moving averages, we can see it is above the 200, above the 50. Very good things appear to be happening with Kotak Bank. Next stock and the final stock for today is Axis Bank. Axis Bank 13 MA support. Very good, very clean. If I just do the moving averages, if I just hide them, what can we see? बीच में मेरे हिसाब से तो थोड़ा रेंज में ही अटका है ये. It actually broke the range. थोड़ा यहाँ से सपोर्ट लिया जो प्रीवियस रेंज का हाई था उससे, and now it is still stuck there. RSI above 60. Let's see, momentum might come. So with that, that's it for this one. And if you are very curious about some trade setups, or if you are very curious about how price actually moves, make sure you check the next video.